am Madam Gracious Kanzieni from Educare, Tanzania. Warmly welcome in our Media Educare TZ, so as you can proceed with our A-level tutorials. And my student, here we have our chemistry subject and our class level is Form 5. We are proceeding with inorganic chemistry in the concept of periodic classification. So my student, today we're going to start to discuss those factors which are useful in the determination of the ionization energy. Tumeona kwamba kuna the issue of the atomic size, kuna the issue of the screening effect or shielding effect, kuna the issue of the electron locality in the orbitals, kuna issue of the electronic configuration. So now we are going to start with the atomic size. We're going to start with the atomic size. How do atomic size can be useful in the determination of the ionization energy? Hivi vitu vinachanganya, so you have to be careful. Kwa sababu one among of the physical properties of the element ambayo tunatakiwa to discuss when we talk about the periodic trend is the atomic size. Lakini tunapokuja kudiscuss tena hizi concept nyingine utakuta atomic size inaingia as a factor which is useful to determine another factor. For instance, tunaongelea ionization energy. Sasa within the ionization energy we have the issue of the atomic size. Kwa hiyo sio kawa unajichanganya. Okay, so the size of an atom increase, the distance between the nuclear and the valence electron also increase. Na maana hapa kuna direct relationship. Kuna direct relationship. Huyu akiongezeka na huyu anaongezeka. Kwa hiyo tukiwa na size of an atom ikiwa inaongezeka, but also the distance the distance between the nuclear and the valence electron also increase. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu tunapongelea ile distance maana kwamba we expect to have more shells. Zile outermost electron shells ziwe nyingi, ina maana tuwe na zile shell za kutosha. So you can see that kadri ile distance inavyoongezeka ndivyo size inavyokuwa favored, kwa sababu ile radii ile distance inakuwa kubwa. That's why you see that the size of the atom is directly proportional to the distance between the nuclear and the valence shell electron, or the valence electrons is directly proportional. So as a result, the force of attraction between the nuclear and valence electron decrease. Sasa kila kitu kinatokea kulingana na matokeo fulani. Sasa tumeona kwamba size of the atom ina increase at the distance increase. Lakini kumbuka kadri distance inavyo increase ina affect the nuclear charge. Sasa inavyo affect the nuclear charge maana kwamba ile attractive force of attractive attraction to hold those electrons toward the nuclear, it will be lowered. It will be lowered. Kwa hiyo utakuja kuona kwamba distance inaongezeka, atomic size inaongezeka, lakini that force of attraction always between the nuclear and the valence electron itakuwa ina decrease. Kwa hiyo kutakuwa na weaker electron repulsion. Kwa sababu gani? Ile force of attraction is small, na haya ni matokeo ya ku increase in the shells and the size of the atom. Kwamba kila kitu ni matokeo ya kitu fulani. Kwa hiyo kadri size inavyoongezeka with the increasing in the number of the valence electrons, also it tend to affect the force of attraction or the nuclear charge ambayo ina hold zile nuclear to the center, zinazo hold electron to the center ambayo ni nuclear. Okay. Now sasa hiki kitokea anasema kwamba this makes the valence electron to be loose held and therefore require smaller energy to remove the electron. Sasa unachukua unganisha ya matukio kuanzia mwanzo. Kumbuka tunaongelea concept of what? Ionization energy. Lakini tumesema kwamba ionization energy is determined by what? By atomic size. Sasa tumeanza kusema kwamba atomic size increase with the increase in the distance between the valence electron and the nuclear. Kadri zile shell zinavyoongezeka, kadri zile valence electrons zinavyoongezeka shell za nje, maana yake ile distance or the size of the atomic inafanyaje? Ina increase. Ambapo increasing of these two factors it lead to the decrease in the attractive force. Ile nuclear attractive force inakuwa affected. Asa baada ya hapo utaona kwamba hii itapelekea zile valence electron to lose held and therefore yani zitakuwa zipo holded na ile attractive force, kwa sababu inayo force itakayokuwa experienced itakuwa lower. Sasa kama force of attraction itakuwa lower, maana kwamba zile electrons valence electron zitakuwa lose ile held, hazitakuwa zimekuwa bonded, zimekuwa holded. Kwa hiyo zitakuwa will be loosely held and therefore require smaller energy to remove electron. Kwa hiyo sasa kumbuka tunahitaji energy ili kuweza kuremove zile electrons. Sasa kama hizi electrons zitakuwa hazipo holded with the strong force, therefore energy ndogo sana itatumika kuweza lose au remove his electron. Kwa hiyo utaona kwamba there will be the low ionization energy which will be useful in order to remove that electron in the valence shells. Ndio maana anasema kwamba therefore require smaller energy to remove the electron. Na smaller energy ambayo tunazungumzia hapa ni ionization energy. Thus the ionization energy decrease with the increase in atomic size. Sasa kulingana na hiyo scenario, kulingana na hiyo concept, we can measure now the trend of the ionization energy in the periodic table. How? Kulingana na hiyo requirement of the lower energy, sasa tunakuja kuconclude kusema kwamba thus the ionization energy decrease with the increase in atomic size, ambayo hii is always down the group, kwamba the atomic size tend to increase down the group. Atomic size ina increase kulingana na the increase in number of shells. Sasa as you consider down the group is where those number of shells tend to increase. Sasa kama tunavyoenda down the group, the number of the shells tend to increase, maana tutakuwa na increasing in the distance. There is a large distance, there is a large atomic size. Therefore, you will see that it will be the ionization energy now will be lower or will be decreased. Maana kwamba zile electrons za nje, zile ambazo zipo kwenye zile higher levels, ambazo zipo kwenye shell za nje kabisa, zitakuwa ni ngumu kuwa attracted na ile force kwenye nuclear. Kwa hiyo utaona kwamba zitakuwa held, zitakuwa loosely held, zitakuwa zipo tayari kuwa removed kiurahisi kabisa. Kwa hiyo energy ambayo itatumika pale it will be lower. Kwa hiyo utaona kwamba increasing in the size, increasing in the atomic size and the distance lead to the decrease in the ionization energy. That's why anasema kwamba the ionization energy decrease with the increase in atomic size, ambayo hii tunaiona down the group. Why down the group? Because is where we have the period 1 2 3 4 and so forth. Kwa hiyo zile period ndizo zile shells zenyewe, ndio zile energy levels and so forth. Kwa hiyo utaona kwamba zile electron ambazo zitakuwa kwenye zile shell za nje, kwa mfano let us compare shell 1 and shell ya 4 kweli. Kwa hiyo utaona kwamba kwenye shell 1 zile electrons zitakuwa rahisi kuwa bonded au holded kwenye nuclear. Shell ya pili pia at rest. Shell ya 3 ya 4 na kuendelea zinakuwa zina lose ile force of attraction inakuwa inapungua, haina uwezo pia ya kuhold zile electron ambazo ziko mbali sana. Ziko mbali sana. Kwa hiyo utakuja kuona kwamba there will be decreasing in the energy in the ionization energy down the group. I hope that is clear for you. So once you are asked to describe the trend of the ionization energy by considering the factor of the atomic size, this will be the answer. Kwamba down the group the ionization energy decrease because of the increasing in the atomic size. Very, very simple and clear. So and increase with the decrease in the atomic size along the period. Sasa when we come in the issue of the period, tunaambiwa kwamba hii ionization energy it tend to increase pale ambapo the atomic size ina decrease. As you know that across the period there is a decrease of the atomic size, right? Sasa if there is a decrease of the atomic size, mean that the ionization energy will increase because those electrons will be holded. Kumbuka tunavyoangalia across the period itakuwa na shell hii moja. Sasa ile shell moja kiasi kwamba electrons zote zitakuwa zina urahisi wa kuwa holded toward the nuclear. Kama zitakuwa holded closer to the nuclear, therefore utaona kwamba zitakuwa experience ile strong nuclear charge au ile strong force of attraction. Kwa hiyo itakuwa ni ngumu kuzitoa. Ni ngumu kutoa zile valence electron bonded to the what? Or attracted to the nuclear. Sasa kama ni ngumu, mean that we need the large energy. Tunahitaji energy kubwa ili kuweza kuremove zile electron. That's why anasema kwamba increase, mean that the ionization energy increase with the decrease in the atomic size. Increase with the decrease in atomic size. And here we are talking simply about the concept of the what? Of the period. Kwa hiyo the trend of the ionization energy is explained in this way by considering the fact of the atomic size. The atomic size increase, you can see that the ionization energy decrease, and this is down the what? Down the group. But as the atomic size decrease, you can see that the ionization energy tend to increase, and this is along or across the period. So I hope that is clear for you. And my student, this is our first session. Thank you so much. Now we can proceed with the second session. Bye.